Bonjour, Kinamagi and Nene Ireland Indigenicas, and welcome to an overview of your options for today's science choices. One of your two options today is the PHET Interactive Simulations from the University of Colorado Boulder. And I've already set this to have elementary and middle school checked, although there are high school and university level simulations that it wouldn't hurt if you looked at, but I wanted to make this a little more usable. You could choose also to narrow down your subjects once you get there by math and motion. And right now we're working on almost kind of related to chemistry. These are good things to explore. And what I'm asking is that you explore an area that you want to or need to learn more. So let's say right now you're working and struggling a little bit with fractions. We could do the build a fraction. And you just click right there and take that endeavor. But let's say for a moment that area model decimals, and that's something you want to look at, or the area builder. Those are all great ideas that you could explore. Now, are you required to choose one and stick with it for the time that we work today? No, you could choose two or three options. Well, let's say for a moment that you're really wanting to do some computer science. The other option is our 21 Things for Students. And you can see there's a lot of things under here. Uh, we've been focusing more on the basics and the visual learning this year. But you could say, I want to look at cyber safety. It's always a good one. You'd click there. Just like any other time that you're using 21 Things for Students. If there is let's say you're doing Cyber Shield, you have to pick a specific one. Well, this is one of those rare that it doesn't have one. But if there is along the side an option, and let me pick one that does just so I could show it to you and remind it. The one that we had been working on and you could still be finishing up, the student checklist. That's something that would be required if it's available. That way you can share it with me and I know what you're working on. And I can also provide feedback as necessary. I hope you enjoy the choices that are provided to you today on this Wednesday Science. I plan on us giving about 20 minutes to this, and then we'll be moving into our next subject. Have a minute, Gijigat. Minwa, Mama P.